Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to access service menu on LG TV using the service remote. Now let's check this remote that I ordered online. Yeah, there's a small scratch. Batteries are not included when you buy this online, and it uses 2 AA batteries. Let's try it out. Now let's try the remote if it's working. The remote is working. Here is the part number of the service remote. Check in the description for the link of this remote. Do not change the settings and values if you are not a qualified technician or not familiar with the settings. To access the service menu, you have to press any start key in the remote. Please support my channel to see more like these videos. Now enter the code 0413. Now we access the service menu. Here you can see the model number of your TV, serial number, the total time used, and more. Here are the steps for using the test patterns. Press adjust key, press OK key, and press the right arrow key.